Hey everyone, it's Daniel from R.V.C Tech. Today we are diving into a budget-friendly smartwatch that's been making waves recently, the Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro. Is it really worth your money? Let's find out. First off, let's talk design. The Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro sports a sleek and a modern look. With a build that feels solid despite its budget price tag, the screen is a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, which is surprisingly bright and sharp for a watch in this price range. The band is comfortable and it's easy to adjust, making it a good fit for daily wear. When it comes to features, this smartwatch doesn't disappoint. It packs everything you would expect: heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, SpO2 measurement, blood pressure measurement, and even stress level monitoring. The Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro also has a comprehensive activity tracker that covers a wide range of sports and activities. Plus, you can make and receive phone calls directly from the watch, which adds a layer of convenience that you don't often find in budget smartwatches. The interface is intuitive and navigating through the menu is smooth. However, it's important to note that this watch isn't suitable for swimming or showering, so keep that in mind if you're looking for a device to wear in the water. In terms of battery life, the Btalk 3 Pro offers solid performance, but with an interesting quirk. Instead of the usual 1% drops, the battery level decreases in 10% increments. So you will see it go from 100% to 90%, then to 80% and so on. While this doesn't necessarily affect the overall battery life, which ranges between 5 to 7 days depending on usage, it's something to be aware of. It's not a deal breaker, but it might take a bit of getting used to. Connectivity is another area where the Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro shines. The Bluetooth connection is stable and syncing with the companion app is quick and easy. The app itself is well designed, providing all your health data in an organized and easy to understand manner. However, one thing I wish it had was the ability to reply to notifications directly from the watch, which would have been a nice touch. Now, let's break it down with some pros and cons. On the plus side, we've got an affordable price, solid build quality, a bright AMOLED display, and a wide range of health and fitness features. On the downside, the battery life is decent but not exceptional, and the lack of direct replies to notifications might be a deal breaker for some. So, is the Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro worth it? If you are looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that doesn't skimp on essential features and offers a decent overall experience, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. For the price, it's hard to beat what the Zeblaze Btalk 3 Pro brings to the table. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Catch you in the next video. Bye!